This is the ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 PRO OMNI, and this is DREAME L40s Ultra AE. Both are high-end robot vacuums and have all the features you expect from this category, but the way they clean the floor is very different. ECOVACS is using a roller mop system closer to a mini floor washer on the robot. DREAME is using the more familiar dual rotating mop pads with mop extend for edges. So today I want to put them through the same cleaning tests and see which system actually works better. Before the tests, here is the quick setup. The T90 Pro OMNI is the more different design here. It has 30,000 pore suction, a single side brush to reduce debris scattering, and a single main brush for dry pickup. But the main difference is the mop. ECOVACS uses a roller mop system, and during the cleaning run, the roller can keep rinsing itself while it cleans. It can also extend outward for edge cleaning and lift up 15mm when it detects carpet. The DREAME L40s Ultra AE is more traditional, but this is very mature setup. It has 90,000 pore suction, dual rotating mop pads, mop extend, AI and 3D structure light obstacle avoidance, 75 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing, and a 10.5mm mop lift. Let's start with mopping, because this is the biggest difference between these two robots. I tested 3 levels of mess here. First, the light coffee mug. This is the easy run. The DREAME pass looks clean, and the ECOVACS pass also looks clean. So for normal daily mopping, this is not where I see a big gap. DREAME's 2 rotating mop pads are already enough for this kind of line mark. ECOVACS clears it too, nothing dramatic here. Then I let the stand sit longer. Now the difference is easy to see. DREAME is still wiping with 2 rotating mops, and it does remove most of the stand. But look at the ECOVACS pass. The roller keeps turning through the stand, and after one pass, the floor looks totally clean. This is where the roller starts to look different. It keeps turning through the stand instead of just wiping over it. The last test is closer to a messier home. Some dust, dirt, and a bit of sticky residue. On this heavier mess, the ECOVACS pass looks much more cleaner because the roller keeps refreshing during the run. DREAME still cleans. For a dual mop robot, it is still doing a good job here, but on this heavier mess, it needs more time. Even after multiple passes, there's still more residue left on the floor. With ECOVACS, the dirty area comes off faster and there's less residue after the pass. The gap is small on light stands. It gets much easier to see when the mess gets heavier. Next is edge cleaning. Here is the ECOVACS pass first. The roller extends now as it gets close to the wall, and you can see that it covers most of that edge area. After the pass, the line next to the wall is pretty clean. Now DREAME, this one uses mop extend, so one of the mop pads moves outward when it detects the edge. It also gets close, but on this 3-wall test, the cleaning line is a little less even than ECOVACS. Then I move the stand into the corner, because this is usually harder than the straight wall. ECOVACS still gets close, but the round body limits how deep it can get into the tightest part of the corner. DREAME looks a little better here than it did on the straight wall. The extended mop pad can reach into that corner area, so the gap between the two robots gets smaller. Now let's move to vacuuming. I started on half floor with cat litter and rice, 20 grams each, so 40 grams in total. This is where I first watch the side brush. If the side brush spins too aggressively, it can throw the mass away before the robot even gets to it. After one run, ECOVACS pick up 37 grams. DREAME pick up 35 grams, so both robots are picking up most of the debris, but ECOVACS leaves less behind. You can also see it in the pass. The side brush gives the litter more control, and more of the debris gets pulled into the main brush area instead of getting kicked across the floor. Then I use biggest pieces, oatmeal and cat food, 30 grams in total. This is harder because the robot has to guide the pieces into the brush opening instead of just pushing them around. ECOVACS pick up 24 grams. DREAME pick up 28 grams. ECOVACS clears a good amount, but after the first pass, there's more left on the floor. DREAME handles the larger pieces better in this test. On carpets, I use 40 grams of small debris. This is where the suction difference is easy to see. ECOVACS has 30,000 pore suction and DREAME has 90,000 pore suction. Both numbers are pretty high, but carpets is where the extra suction actually showed up. After one run, ECOVACS pick up 34 grams. DREAME only pick up 25 grams, so on carpets the gap is bigger. ECOVACS pulls more debris out of the fibers, while DREAME leaves more behind after the first run. For pad here, both main brushes came out clean. I did not see hair wrap around the main brush on either robot. The only thing I noticed is that DREAME has a little bit of hair cuts on the side brush. Across the full vacuum test, ECOVACS leaves less debris behind after the first pass, especially with larger pieces and carpets pickup. Next is carpet handling. For this part, I moved both robots across the rug for different angles, and I also changed their starting position. The carpet detection on both of them is very accurate. Even when I move the robot and change the path, both models recognize the carpet very quickly. For short pile rugs, I do not see a real problem here. Both robots detect the carpet, lift them up, and cross over without making the rug wet. The trickier part is thicker carpet. The T90 Pro Omni has a 15mm mop lift. The DREAME L40s Ultra AE has a 10.5mm mop lift, so ECOVACS gives you a little more clearance when it moves from hard floor to carpet. But I would still say this depends on your rug. If it's a thicker, softer rug, I would not assume either robot can guarantee a perfectly dry surface every time. Next is obstacle avoidance. For this test, I put a few common objects on the floor: a cable, tissue, a sock, and a shoe. Both robots avoid the main objects in this test. The cable is the important one here because this is the thing I really do not want the robot to eat. The first time they see an object, both robots had a similar reaction. They slow down, get close, back up, and then go around it. So the first pass can look a little cautious. After that, the movement gets smoother. When they come back around the same area, they already have a better idea of where the object is, so the cleaning pass looks more natural. So for obstacle avoidance, this section is basically a tie. Both can handle the usual things people leave on the floor, and both did well with the cable. So now let's talk about the dock. After the cleaning run, both docks can handle the main maintenance job for you. They can auto-empty the dustbin, wash the mop, dry it with hot air, and both of them has a cleaning solution tank, so the detergent can be added automatically during mop washing. The ECOVACS dock is built around the roller system. After the robot comes back, the dock washes and dries the roller, and it also helps clean the dirty water area. That fits the whole design of the T90 Pro Omni. The roller does more washing during the cleaning run, and the dock is there to keep that roller clean after the run. DREAME's dock is more traditional, but it has one very practical advantage. The water tanks are slightly larger. The L40s Ultra AE has a 4.5-liter clean water tank and a 4-liter used water tank. On the ECOVACS side, the clean water tank is 4 liters and the dirty water tank is 3.5 liters. After all these tests, which one you should choose? If you have pets, kids, or the kitchen floor that gets messy first, I would go with the ECOVACS T90 Pro Omni. In the mopping and vacuum tests, it left less behind, especially when the mess got heavier. That's the result I care about most for this type of home. DREAME L40s Ultra AE is the one I would look at for the more normal floor. Dust, hair, light mugs, regular maintenance, that kind of cleaning. It is still a strong robot, and the larger water tanks in the dock are real convenience if you run them up often. To be clear, both of these are great products. The point is choosing the one that fits your home better. I will put the current Friday discounts and both product links in the description, so check the latest price there before you buy. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.